Standard 8th, History, Chapter 1, Sources of History. Dear students, today I am going to give you the markings of the question answers of Chapter 1. So I want you all to have a pen and be ready with your textbooks. We'll go to the exercise at the end of the lesson, that is on page number 4. Question number 1. Rewrite the statements by choosing the correct appropriate options. The first one, among the historical sources, dash sources are based on modern technology. The answer is audiovisual. Second, the dash is a museum in Pune which gives information about the history of Mahatma Gandhi. The answer is Aga Khan Palace. Third, a unique discovery of modern technology in 20th century is dash. The answer is films. Next, question number 2. Explain the following statements with reasons. We'll see the first one. During the British period, newspapers also acted as source of social reformation. This answer is on page number 2. So let us go to page number 2, children. Left hand side, last paragraph. Can you see this? Newspapers and periodicals. Okay, so the first line is the first point. Newspapers provide us information about the contemporary events. That's your first point. Second, we get information about the political, social, economic and cultural happenings of that period. Third point, in the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnana Prakash, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Deen Bandhu, Kesari acted as important source of awakening the minds of the people. And the fourth and the last point, newspapers were not only the source of political events, but also acted as a source of social reformation. So 4 points. Answer 2.1. Now we'll go to question number 2.2. Audiovisual recordings are considered as the most trustworthy source for the study of modern Indian history. The answer is not there in your textbook, so I've written the answer over here. Can you see this, children? Here, this is the answer. Answer 2.2. First point. Audio-visual recordings of historical events could be seen in real time. Second point. For example, the audio-visual recordings of Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and other such historical events. Third point. The rich tradition of history can be handed over to the next generation through the audio-visual recordings. So these 3 points are answer 2.2. Okay. Next, children, we'll go to question number 3. Write short notes. The first one, photographs. The answer to this question is on page number 3. So let us go to page number 3, children. Here, photographs. This is answer 3.1. Right hand side, second last paragraph, photographs. First point is the first line, photographs. Can you see it's highlighted here? The first point, photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. Second, through, cancel these over here, children. Just cancel these. Okay. Second point, through photographs we get information of the person or an event in a visual format. Then your third point, photographs are considered to be more reliable. Fourth point, photograph of an event gives a visual image of the event, whereas photograph of an object or a structure helps in understanding its nature. 4 points. That is answer 3.1. Now let us see 3.2. 3.2 is museums and history. The answer to this question is on page number 1. So let us go to page number 1. Here, right hand side, first paragraph in the box. Can you see this? Do you know? This is your answer, 3.2. Right hand side, first paragraph, museums and history. First point, for the study of history, various objects, paintings, photographs and such other things are preserved in the museum. That's your first point. Second point, at the Aga Khan Palace in Pune, we can see different objects, documents giving information about the life of Mahatma Gandhi. That's it, 2 points. That is answer 3.2. Now let us go to question number 3.3. 3.3 is audio sources. Audio sources. The answer to this is on page number 3. So let us go to page number 3. Here. This is audio sources 3.3. Now see, a part of the answer, your first point is in the web over here. I have highlighted it. See, a point 1, children. Okay. So your point 1 will be inspirational songs. Then you're going to put a comma. Folk songs, comma. Povada, comma. Folk tales, comma. Narrations, comma. And interviews are included in the audio sources. This is your first point. Inspirational songs, folk songs, povada, folk tales, narrations and interviews are included in the audio sources. That's your first point. Second point. Okay. Second point again is broke up into 2 parts. So let us see second point. During the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. This is incomplete. Were composed. Continuation of second point is here. That gave us information about the conditions during pre-independence period. So you all got the second point, children. Second point is divided into 2 parts here. During the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed that gave us information about the conditions during pre-independence period. Then your third point, point 3 is here. The spirit behind the freedom struggle could be understood. And the fourth and the last point is over here. Again, the fourth point is into breakups. Povadas composed on freedom struggle were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. So this is your fourth point. So answer 3.3 comprises of 4 points. Now let us go to the next question, next sub question. That is question number 4. Complete the following diagram. So this is a web diagram. I have marked the answers over here only for you all. I've written the answers for you all. Material sources, buildings, museums, monuments, sculptures, palaces, statues, coins and forts. Okay. Children, please take down some extra webs. Another extra web is here. Learn this web of oral sources. Okay, oral sources. This is one web which you're going to learn. Please write it in your notebooks also. Another web which you're going to do is this one, written sources. This entire thing. So you have 3 webs. One is written sources, oral sources. Okay. Written sources, oral sources, and your material sources. So children, I want you all to copy down the question answers in your history notebook. Thank you.